Stefanie Mosca. We're here at ITEXPO Austin 2012, and I'm joined today by Jeff Uphues, VP of Cloud Services at Cbeyond. Jeff, welcome back.
Hi, good to see you.
Good to see you as well. So you guys are a sponsor at the event this week. Always great to have Cbeyond at the show.
It's great. I mean, ITEXPO is a great show for us, and it's a great event that you guys put on every year.
Glad to hear that. So for our audience members who aren't as familiar with the company, why don't you just give a brief overview of Cbeyond, and then we'll dive into what you guys have going on.
Good. Well, Cbeyond, we've been in business now since 1999. We have really been focused on that small and medium-sized business market. Over the course of the last 11 years, we've built the company to over 60,000 small business and medium-sized business customers around the country in more than 14 unique markets where we have a really, really high presence. You take markets like Atlanta or Dallas or Boston or Los Angeles or any of those, and we really serve the small and medium-sized business really well with communication services through a host of our applications and customers. We're publicly traded. We've been doing really well.
Yeah, and it's clear that you guys have had a lot of success over the last year. So let's talk a little bit about those specific cloud services that you guys cater to these SMBs.
Great. 2012 for us has been a year of rolling a lot of new products to the market that we're really excited about. Traditionally, we kept it really, really simple, offering a bundle of services to the customer, whether it's mobile or voice or network. 2012, we've taken those and we've really highly emphasized our cloud services. So we go really now into the market with what we call a 3 T's for the SMB. It's total voice, total network, and total cloud. In between those products, we've now done unique partnerships in our cloud services with Cisco and EMC, creating a cloud computing experience bundled with Microsoft that most small and medium-sized businesses use every single day. We've got our total network services that we've now worked towards delivering up to 100 megabits in markets for customers, where we had been only doing T1s and 3 meg and 4.5 meg. Now we really give the customers the bandwidth that they'd like to see. And our total voice product that we've rolled out is a BroadSoft-based hosted telephony platform that we're really starting to deliver that value back to end businesses in a hosted experience. So it's good. It's around total cloud, total voice, and total network that we're taking out to the market.
Sure. And I mean, it's clear that you guys are able to cater to these SMBs very specifically. Anything particular that, in terms of challenges that they are addressing in the market right now that these solutions are really helping to provide the answers for?
Yeah, SMBs, it's a great question. SMBs are really confused a lot of times by really what cloud services means.
Right.
We made, over the last 11 years, tried to make it simple for that small and medium-sized business. We're doing the same thing with our cloud services in a way of take a customer who has got a server in their office and they are trying to say, how do I go to the cloud? Why do I go to the cloud? And try to move their storage, move their critical files, move their security and applications into there, and they're not really sure what it all means. They're worried about security, they're worried about trusting somebody and letting go. Like the bundled packages we've done for years, we're now simplifying that for small and medium-sized business, taking their applications that they use most, whether that be QuickBooks, whether that be ACT, whether that be their legal software, any type of software that they're using. We're trying to take those and certify those to put those in the cloud, making it easy for them that they're safe, they're secure, they're compliant, and it gives them peace of mind in their business.
And Jeff, that's a really good point. I mean, particularly with SMBs, there's so many different things that arise that people are concerned about security. How do you kind of, confirm that when they're using your solutions that everything's secure and they can really trust the company?
Trust is a big factor. At Cbeyond, I mean, we've been ranked as Forbes in 2012 as one of America's most trustworthy companies based upon the things we do. So you take that, you take our track record of dealing with the SMB, it's in our DNA, and then you look at our data centers and the way that we've secured our cloud services by bundling the network and bundling the cloud. It gives them that peace of mind that it is a single company you're dealing with, completely on net. So from their premise into our cloud, it's backed by one company. We tie the network, the cloud together. It's all on the same server-grade infrastructure, and we've gone the extra mile of making sure that we can show them that we're highly compliant. So, we've got SOC 2 and SOC 3 certifications that really stand us up and pin us up as a company that you can be trusted. So for us, it's about taking the time consultatively to talk to customers, talking about, you know, more of the solutions and things that they're needing. Cloud is really a strategy. It's not something you just come in and say, replace this. We have to understand why. We have to understand the problem we're solving, and customers, when they learn about us, of the network, the cloud, our certifications, and the way we treat customers in our DNA, they're really gravitating towards our solutions, both in our direct sales force and through our more than 3,000 channel partners around the country.
Yeah, that's a great way of looking at it rather than a solution. Cloud as a strategy.
It is.
Definitely.
It is. You know, you have to solve the problem for them.
Now, you mentioned legal before. Any other specific markets that you're embedded in terms of these SMBs?
Yeah, when we look at it, we've got about 7,000 customers that use us between legal and healthcare today. So between the legal market, the healthcare market, and the financial market, those are three that we're really seeing that customers are saying, I need critical solutions to manage my data. I need to have secure voice. I need to have high bandwidth solutions. I need to be able to have cloud services from a company that they can trust. So those are the three that we're seeing have got the highest impact for both cloud voice, or what we call total voice, total cloud, and total network. It's really that bundle of communications in those three industries that's making an impact.
Great. Well, thanks so much for being here today, Jeff. Always a pleasure to catch up with you.
Good. It's good to see you. Thank you.